Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share my first guest design team project for Coco and Reno, and I did do a video sharing the dies and some of the rosettes that I created, just so you can see what the rosettes look like. In another video, I will link that video in the description box in case you want to take a look. And the dies come in this beautiful little velvet pouch, and it's so pretty. Love that. And then I did not use this die here, but it's super cute. And I also did not use this one here with the butterflies. I used this one on this project with the scalloped edge and the little circles cut out. I used this one, which is one of my favorites in the set. So cute. It's like a little doily edge, but once you put it together, it looks like a flower almost. Or it does look like a flower. And this one with the pink edge and the little stars, I used that one. And from the centers, I only used the little scallop circles. So on this project, I did use this one here. So those are the dies, and you can find these at cocoandreno.com, and I'll leave the information in the description box below as well. So this is the project that I created, and I love the way it turned out. It's so cute. It pretty much turned out the way I was hoping, and I used the new Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels, and I had to have this paper. It's the only one I picked up recently from their Hot Buys because of this beautiful mermaid. I just thought she was so pretty. I love the pink hair and just love the image. So yeah, I decided to do a shadow box. I followed another tutorial, which was pretty easy to follow, and I'll leave that in the description box as well, in case you want to give it a try. And I basically just created the shadow box, and then I took the pattern paper that had this design and cut it to fit in the inside there. And I was kind of bummed because the whole mermaid did not fit in the center of the shadow box, and I had to cut off her tail, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I just felt like the mermaid really needed her tail in order to complete the look. So I was kind of happy with the way this turned out. I decided to fussy cut the tail out, and I just backed it on some heavier cardstock. And then just attached it on top of the rosette and to the front here. So when you look at the whole thing, it still looks like she's just sitting there, and the tail like kind of wraps around there. So I love the way that turned out. And then these are the beautiful rosettes that I had pre-made, and I just added some cheesecloth to the bottom there. I added some seashells that I painted white and added some little stickles to. This little star center thing here, oh, it's using this die, not die, punch. I love this punch. So it's a McGill, I don't know, it's like a starburst sort of design, but I love it for flower centers. And then now on this project, I thought it looked really pretty on top of this rosette here. And then I also added one in there. I don't know if you can see that, just as a little accent to add some gold in there. And on the corner here, I just layered some shells right there and a little pearl. And then the paper, I did cut it just a little tiny bit short on the ends, so that's why I added these little blue bling strips on the edges there. But I love the way it turned out, and the shine and the bling that it gives it. And then this here comes from like a Christmas like flower spray or something that I had in my stash, and it's just comes like this. So I just took it off the little flower arrangement and cut it up, and I thought it looked like little seaweed, like golden seaweed popping out of there. Added a little bit more here, and I added another seashell there and some pearls, a little starfish, and then I did add a little bit more cheesecloth under this little rosette cluster here, and just layered up some more rosettes. And then I fussy cut these little starfish from the paper collection and the sand dollar, and added those, and a little bit of gold string as well underneath the starfish there. And this one here I double layered and added some foam just to give it some dimension. So that's my little project, and I think it turned out so pretty. So I'll share the paper collection that I used. And like I said, it's from Michaels, from their Hot Buys, and it's called Mermaid Lagoon. I'm not going to do a flip through just because I've already cut into the paper quite a bit. So this is the paper collection. And I also picked up some of their the green label beads from Bead Landing. They had them for 70% off when I went in. So I picked these up, and then they had these. I was totally just thinking of like a sea mermaid theme, so I'm going to be making something with these beautiful beads. Love these. So pretty. And then I picked these up, which are like little sand dollars. So I can't wait to use these and create a little something, maybe a chunky charm or something. And then these, I just thought they were so pretty. They're rose gold, like little blingy accents. So I picked those up, and then from that same mini haul from Michaels, I picked these up as well to make some cards, hopefully, because I've been wanting to work on some cards. So yeah, I just decided to share my little haul from Michaels along with this project, but I think it turned out so pretty. Really happy with the way it turned out, and I do really like these dies from Coco and Reno, and you still have some time if you order or subscribe by June 30th, then these are the ones that will be sent out for July. So yeah, hope you like my little project share. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.